All right, now this is my favorite part, running the trader. That is option number 6 in the main menu, and run continuously. Now, I have not been running the trader all day long to make sure that enough price changes have occurred to where we'll see some trades. So here we go. Yes. First, it checks that the key and payment hash are paired, right? So even I registered my own bot and paid for nanos. Not really. I actually just I took I took an old payment I paid to myself on that same wallet and uploaded that. I didn't actually create a new payment for this. But anyway, so I've got this many nanos left, right? And I'm just going to manually change it in the database so I can keep trading, if that ever runs out. So anyway, um, here SNX is now attempting to buy, and I'm going to highlight part of the window to pause it and show you that afterwards it says mail sent. Now, if you look at my... Oh, you know what? I'm not going to open my credentials file because my keys are in there, my API keys are in there. But one of the things that you do when you set up the robot is you have an option to add your email. And so after every trade, you'll be emailed. Now, there is an email quota. So if a lot of people are high frequency trading with the system and they want email sent to themselves, the quota will probably be reached in a day. And it happened to me last month when I set the minimum distance between trades at like 0.5%, and I was getting hundreds or thousands of trades a day. The quota was reached, and it just stopped sending emails. So if you're not getting emails, maybe the quota was reached, um, and you don't have to. It's actually pretty annoying to get thousands of emails a day. So you don't have to do that. But I've got mine set at about 3.43% price distance between trades, so it won't be as many. Hopefully, I won't hit the quota. But I want the emails because I'm going to be uploading growth reports per market to Twitter. Again, I've already done that before when the distance between trades was much bigger, and I stopped doing it when I was doing high frequency trading because that was just way too much effort. Um, but I'm going to do that again sometimes in the future. All right, so let's press enter to unpause it, and we're attempting another buy, and there we go. Oh, we're attempting a sell and sold. Now, sometimes it will fail if there's, maybe not enough liquidity, or maybe it, the server is lagging and refuses the API request. And when that happens, it'll probably just go through on the next cycle. So a lot of trades are happening. I was expecting this since I haven't been running the trader all day long. And once it goes through all the 20 markets that I've got up here, then it will run through the cycle again faster. So a lot of buys and sells are happening. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if I explained this before in another video or not, but I wanted to point out the U range and the D range. When we're not using the momentum filter, um, this D range means how far down in price from the last trade price, which is up here, how far down before the next buy, and this number is how far up before the next sell. So let's say if it was 10% minimum distance between trades, then the D range would be 0.9 factor of the last trade price, and the up range would be 11.11% a factor above the last trade price. All right, and now I will press enter again, to let the trade cycle finish. Now this system can be run once a day, once a week, once a month. You can run it continuously, it doesn't matter. Given any random set of prices, unbiased growth is guaranteed. Oh, check this out. Okay, right here, let's see what this is. This is Mask USDT. And it says down here that it wanted a trade size this big, but the minimum allowed trade size is this big. Okay, so this says consider setting .json option force minimum trade set to true. Consider setting this to true. Wow, that's a bad sentence. I must have been tired. Um, but don't force the minimum trade. I'm just saying it now. Don't do it. Okay. All this means is that the price has to go farther away for the trade size to scale up beyond 0.1. Okay. Press enter and continue. And I believe we are through the trade cycle, so everything should be going pretty quickly now. All that last message meant was that a distance of 3.43% was not did not cover 0.1 trade size. All right, well, that's how the trade cycle works, and see you in the next video.